Good afternoon, YouTube. Today we're going to be unboxing something that I've actually been looking for quite a while. I like to do a lot of PC gaming, and a couple of years ago, I think maybe last year, I recycled some old gaming lights that I had on my PC, and I believe actually they stopped working when I upgraded to Windows 7 or 8, I think. They were Mad Cat Cyborg gaming lights, and I think what happened was the company dropped support for them, and it was just too much of a pain in the butt to get those lights to work. They would turn on and flash at random times, and you can never get them to work again with the game, which was actually pretty sad. It made for a full, gaming experience. It's pretty good. So we got something here. I really think that I'm gonna like it, and we're gonna get it to work on our PC from what I've seen online. And it actually goes with the rest of my house, which is gonna be exciting. And we'll have another video up shortly about that. But let's go ahead and unbox this and see what we got. And here they are, the new Philips HUE Play Light bars. And according to what it says on the box, you can sync your lights with your movies, games, and music. I know you have to download the app or software to do it, just like you did with the other one, the Mad Cats. But all the lights in my house are Philips HUE right now. I think we're approaching close to 50 lights in the house, and we'll do a video on that soon. But we want to give these a shot. They're actually fairly bright, and I think the lumens, 530 lumens. So we'll unbox these, we'll set them up, and hopefully they will work like expected. So let's go ahead and see what's in the box. Setup, install, enjoy, pamphlet, quick setup guide. The operating instructions, not really. So this is cleaning and maintenance, warnings and cautions. What to do and not to do with a light bulb. Two of them in case you need to read it more than once. And the actual installation guide. And they can attach to the back of your monitor. They can stand on the sides of your monitor. I think they can go vertical, and horizontal. How to clean them. Yeah, so I'm going to start off with them on my desk, and then we'll move to see what they look like up on the monitor. There they are, fairly large. Check size on these. So they're about 10 inches long and about 1 3/4 inches wide, and then deep 1 1/4 inches, just a little over that. They have a little bit come to a point there a little bit, but all right, so each bar with, it looks like the power cable connect. Yep. Set that there. It's like a bag of 3M adhesive discs, Allen wrench, and 2 screws. Very interesting way to package this, but okay. So here we have the desk, probably the desk stands for them to stand vertical. That's what it looks like. I'll find out here in a minute. And this is probably for the back of the monitor. And so there's 3 adapters here, so I'm guessing you can add 1 additional light bar to this unit. that appears to be all that is in the packaging here. So it'll be fairly interesting to see, and once we download the app, how it connects up with your PC for gaming. Yeah, because I don't see any USB inputs. So we'll figure it out here. We'll get everything set up upstairs, read the instructions. Yeah, so these probably mount like that on your monitor, on the backs of the monitors. Alright, so as you can see here, the lights are really bright, like I was saying. You do have the ability to go in and make them not as bright, medium, moderate, so on and so forth. But this is just after I plugged in the power strip. Plug the lights in, they'll light up for you, so you know that they're working. And then you need to go through the HUE app, and such as you do when you're setting up a new HUE light. So we'll go ahead and get that done, and then we'll check next steps. Alright, so we got it set up, and pretty interesting actually how the whole thing works. As you can see here, it's kind of mimicking, and I just have the lights bars laying on the desk for right now, but when they're up, you'll get the reflection off the walls, very similar to like what you see here. Light on one side, a little more pinkish on the other, just like the screen is emulating there. After we went ahead and set the HUE lights up in the HUE app on our phone, I went ahead and assigned them to a room, which was my office. And then I went into the settings and created a new entertainment area, and added my office as the entertainment area, and it recognized the lights, and it said recommended to add these 2 lights as the entertainment area. We did that, and then you launch the app, the desktop app that we downloaded for the HUE Sync, and that goes out and it looks for your HUE bridge, but fired it up and everything works seamlessly. So we can go ahead and see, we'll just jump into a little game here real quick, and then we'll check the lights and see how they function. So I just went ahead and set them up on the speaker stand. I haven't mounted them yet, but I will mount them to the back of the monitor. What it is, it just went ahead and mounted the lights to the back of the monitor, as you can see here. Yeah, the lights are absolutely amazing. And the way that they work actually is very interesting. It's over Wi-Fi, I believe. If you're using a laptop, this is a desktop PC, and it is connected to my Orbi, which is connected to my router, and the other Orbis in the house are connected to the main Orbi, the satellite Orbis. One of my HUE bridges, or the HUE bridge, is connected to one of the satellite Orbis, so it has to have access to the bridge, so it communicates to the bridge, back to the PC, because it's all on the same network, so it works with what you're watching, works flawless. Was a bit hesitant thinking that there'd be some kind of delays in it, but it works great. Couldn't be happier. And you do have to stop the light sync if you want to control the lights individually. Thus it turns off the light sync with the computer. And then let's go ahead and turn on all the lights and go back. Oops. All right, so we have our lights, you got our bloom in the back, and we can go and just change the colors. My bloom is set to orange, but you kind of see the picture here. You can set multiple colors per light, the same colors. So I have 3 lights in the back. The blooms are red. Actually, are red. I believe I said orange earlier, but it is a red. And then you can set your 2 play lights to whatever color you want, so you can get a different effect for your room. So after using them for 1 day, I am definitely going to give them a thumbs up. I may look to see if there's an additional way that I can add more of the HUE lights to the house. Maybe my TV, my main TV, the 75-inch that's on our previous videos, downstairs. Other than that, I'm going to say excellent buy, and I would highly recommend them. By no way is this paid for or given free product by Philips HUE. It would be nice if they did, but I do purchase all of my own items and then do the reviews for them. So don't think that this is a paid endorsement. I'd like to thank everyone for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.